welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle, and if any of that interests you then please consider subscribing to my channel. And guys, summers are approaching us, winters are almost over, we are about to meet hot scorching summers in India especially. And to fight this scorching summer, we need sunscreens. Yes, guys. Firstly, correcting this myth that we do not need sunscreens only during summers. We need them throughout the year. So even if it's a cloudy day, you should be applying sunscreen. But it is a must-have during summers, majorly because the heat is so high that you might get sunburns, tanning, and whatnot. So it is definitely a summer must-have. Also, sunscreen is not something which just protects us from the sunburns or the tanning. It also protects us from the UVA, UVB rays, which ultimately cause us so many skin problems. It can even cause us cancer. So sunscreen is a definitely must have in all seasons. You should be applying it throughout the year, on your face, on your body, to protect your skin from the harsh UVA and UVB rays. And now there are so many types and different sunscreens available in the market. There are so many different formulas, products, brands and whatnot, and how would you decide which one to opt for? So I'm here for you guys to educate you about sunscreens a little bit, all that I know, and also to share with you my top 5 favorite sunscreens that you can definitely have. I've tried to keep it as affordable as I can. Mostly all of the sunscreens that I have are under rupees 500, so that's a pretty big yay. I've also tried to cover sunscreens for different skin types. So if you have a dry skin, combination skin, normal skin or oily skin, there's something for everyone. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Now, like I've told you, there are two kinds of rays that we need protection from, that is namely UVA and UVB rays. There are a lot of sunscreens in the market which say that they protect you against the broad spectrum. So when they say broad spectrum, they mean they protect you against both UVA and UVB rays. The UVA ray penetrates deep within your skin inside and harms the skin from deep within, and the UVB rays causes damage to the uppermost layer of our skin and causes sunburns, etc. So we definitely need to have protection against both of these rays, and I've tried to keep all of the sunscreens which protect us against UVA and UVB rays. Also, before starting this video, I would like to mention that please do a patch test of all of these sunscreens before applying it on your face. All of these sunscreens that I'll be mentioning in the video have worked really well for me, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. But it might or might not work for you. So before applying it on your face, do a patch test first. I've tried so many sunscreens for this video before sharing it with all of you. But these 5 have to be the best of all of them. And if you want to know my all-time favorite sunscreens, then do watch the video till the end. And starting the video with my holy grail product. Yes guys, this has been my favorite and go-to sunscreen since years, and I am talking about the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen. This was in the matte gel formula and has PA++ SPF 50. It also protects you both against UVA and UVB rays. This is majorly for the normal to oily skin tones because it is a matte gel formula. So this is gonna come really handy for people with oily skin. I really like its formula. It's very gel based. It doesn't give you a white cast whatsoever, and it sits really well on your skin, and it has got a nice gel consistency. So if you are someone who has oily skin and would want to try this, can definitely go ahead and try this. This has been my holy grail product since ever so long, and I can definitely vouch for this one. So this retails for rupees 440 for 100 grams of product, and it's a really nice sunscreen if you want to invest in this one. The next sunscreen that we're going to be talking about is by Earth Rhythm. It looks something like this. Yes, I love its packaging. It looks so cute, so chic. I really like it. They also have a bottle packaging in this. I saw that later on, after purchasing it, but yeah, if you are getting your hands on it, you can get on the bottle packaging as well. I find bottle packagings more handy. So yeah, that being that, this one protects you against UVA and UVB rays. It has PA++++, and this is a broad spectrum sunscreen. It also has SPF 50 protection. It looks something like this. They say that the packaging is derived from sugarcane and it is 100% bioplastic. So that's a big yay, because it is ultimately supporting the environment and the packaging is not causing any harm to our environment as well. This is 50 ml of product for rupees 715, I guess. I'll just mention all of the prices and everything on the screen so you can see that. But it is almost on discount, like always, so you can definitely get your hands in it. I got it somewhere between 350 to 400 rupees, so that was a very big steal deal. It is almost always on 50% off, so do get it on the discount itself. And yeah, for rupees 350 and everything, it's a pretty good deal. The inside packaging looks something like this. It has this pump thing going on. I really like it. It's cute. Now this one has a cream based formula, but it sits down really well. It is not very heavy and it is great for people with normal to oily skin type, and it will also work really well for dry skin type people. And yeah, I really like the formula. It doesn't have any fragrance. It is quite cruelty free and nature approved, and also it has got the highest protection grade, that is PA++++. It has great sun protection as well. So if you are someone who would want to invest in this one, you can try this. Next up, I have this sunscreen from Neutrogena. This is their Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It has SPF 50 plus protection and is PA+++. Again, this is a broad spectrum sunscreen with UVA and UVB rays protection. It is ultra light, clean fill, they say, and also water resistant. They also say this is dermatologist tested. So I have this size with me, which is 30 ml of product, and this one retails for rupees 250. If you grab it during sale, you can get it at even cheaper price. Neutrogena as a brand, I love it. I love their skincare products, and this is something that I've been using since a very long time. It is a great product again for oily skin people, and if you're someone who wants a sunscreen which should be water resistant, then this is great. This is again a cream based formula and is very very light. It penetrates within the skin in no time. Like they mentioned, this is absolutely ultra light. So if you are someone who has very oily skin, then you should definitely give this one a try. The next sunscreen that I have for you guys is by Lakme. It is their Lakme Sun Expert sunscreen. I must tell you, before I was getting my hands on this, I was quite in a doubt. I read the reviews. They said that it is a good sunscreen, so I thought of investing into it, and I am happy that I did. It is really nice formula. It is again a gel based formula. It is SPF 50 protection and PA+++, and they say this one is for all skin types, so all my dry skin people can also use this, and they say it is also dermatologically tested, so that's great. And this one is 50 grams for rupees 325. Okay, so there you get 50 grams of product in just rupees 325, again below rupees 500. Quite a good deal. So this sunscreen particularly is extremely moisturizing. It is also very fragranced product. So if you are someone who doesn't like fragrances, then this is not for you. But for the dry skin people, it is nice. It is moisturizing. It is gel based and is also not very sticky. It absorbs very quickly in your skin. So yeah, this is overall a really nice sunscreen that you can invest in. And moving on to the last sunscreen for the video, I'm going to be talking about this La Shield sunscreen. Yes guys, it is again an SPF 50 sunscreen with PA++ protection against UVA and UVB rays. They say this is lightweight and oil free. This also moisturizes your skin and is water resistant. They say this is dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin types, and also they suggest that it is a protection against pollution as well. So it protects your skin against pollution. This is a really nice product for a daily use. It is also very pocket friendly, so you get this 50 grams of product for just rupees 280, so you can definitely try this. And also during sale you get it at cheaper prices. The formula for this one is really creamy, and when you apply it, it definitely doesn't leave any sorts of white cast, but it also leaves a really nice glow to your skin. So if you are into that, you can definitely try this. It is also a bit fragrance, but as you can see, it is reflecting through light and it is giving a nice glow and brightness to your skin, so that's a big yay. So this is a really nice product. If you are someone who would want this thing, can definitely give your hands in this one. I believe this will work great for all the dry skin people. So if you are someone from the dry skin family, you should definitely try this. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know if you find this video helpful and if you would want me to share more such video with you guys. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have any other video suggestions for me, and I would love to make that for you. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.